Where are the geese at? Oh, what up? Don't you leave me. Ah!
My weed's in my pocket.
My grandma spent $800 on this.
Thank for Cam. I missed my bike! I thought it was a good idea to jump the curb.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Start playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Start playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
All right, we're back. So for any of you guys that don't know and you're watching this, I broke my bike just now. I was coming to the mall to see him. It's his birthday. And we were about to go take pictures. Stop it, stop. Don't you dare. I will put it in your ear.
You put it in my ear, I'll put this on the floor. 20 feet drop.
Dramatic. You capping. I would yank him so fast. Who's calling me?
Yeah, until you fly down with me.
Hold on, Tommy's calling me. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I didn't crash my bike or anything.
Alright, good.
No, I sent it. Oh, we gotta go downstairs. My bad. Cause that's where my bike is. We're gonna show you guys. So Tommy.
I was on a live stream and John popped in and was like, "Hey, Cam broke his bike," and I was like, "Oh, shit."
Yeah, I did.
Alright, I just had to call and make sure you're cool.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later, man.
Love you.
Okay, ciao.
Ah! Thanks for holding my prize and possession. Oh my gosh. Sing it.
I like this helmet. I ride bikes as my hobby.
Oh, go ahead.
I need an R1.
Oh.
Brand new Duke.
Oh.
Okay, you're drunk.
I will scream at the top of my lungs in here. Let's go look at her. There's oil everywhere. What do you mean damage? Because I think I just cracked it, to be honest. Hold on. Focus. There we go. Look. Don't think I'm capping, because I'm not. And we have our line. And we have baby girl. And she looks so good. She looks so good. Yeah,
She got stabbed.
She 100% looks like she just got stabbed. She needs to go to the hospital now. But I mean, here's a video of my bike if you guys haven't seen.
A little bit of duct tape, ShamWow, and Flex Seal.
Flex Seal!
We're gonna have to ShamWow all of
It's
this.
down there. I don't exactly know where. I think it's in between my exhaust, like inside my headers, but I cracked it full send. I thought it was a good idea to jump the curb. I thought I was on a dirt bike, and I guess I'm not.
Behind door number 1
is a Ducati.
2.
I want the big one. Is that where the R1 is? Sure, I'll show you the damage. And it's funny because I just did an oil change. This is where I stopped. This was the first ride on it. The first ride. Look at this. I literally tapped. The exhaust isn't even dented. It just got scraped just the smallest bit. So right there. Literally that's what did it. Don't put that on. Don't you think about putting that on. I will come and get you. Where did he go? Where did he go? What are you doing? Alright guys, well this is a little update. Yeah, that's beat. But, oh well, you know, it could have been saving me. As soon as it happened, I was like, well, there's a good reason this happened. Because imagine, you gotta look at the glass half full. Like since this happened, you could be like, oh, my bike's like broke. Like why did this happen to me? Blah, blah, blah. Instead, why not just, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna sit on the curb. Why not just think, maybe this happened for a reason. Maybe in 20 minutes after I scooped him and we went out and to go find a place to take pictures, I crashed. Like, and died. Or got really messed up, you know what I mean? Like, you can think about it 2 ways. It's all your choice. Like, you just gotta be optimistic. Very much optimistic. Josh, what do you have to say? It's your birthday.
We're gonna have to ShamWow all of this.
We're gonna have to ShamWow all of this?
All of this. Bounty.
Bounty. I need that sponsor first. He drove around the oil. Sorry, bud. I'll be back in like 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, something like that.
We'll always be there for you, even though you stabbed my heart behind my back. No love, I just want
Let me out! I want to be on my bike! Ah! All I see is envy, ready, set, go! I'm halfway out the car! You never really cared, but you know I will always be there.
You're gonna have to get up.
Why? Behind my bed! Is there a car behind us?
Yeah.
Oh, they're all the way back there though. Oh, there goes the police station. What up? It's Saturday Night Live! Sunday Night Live! I'm gonna wave to people like this. Hi. Ah, she waved! We don't have to be on the bikes to still make people laugh. Where are the geese at? Yo, pull up on these geese over there.
No, I will always be.
Put on the flashers, I'll go get them. I will seriously go and don't test me.
Grab one.
Don't test me.
Go.
Don't test me. Don't you. Wait, they're over there. Oh, what up? What? Yeah! Did that one poop? Pooped his pants. Come back. Don't you leave me. Ow! My butt! I smashed it!
Window privileges are going.
Let me put down my window! I'm hot! Ah!
Turning up the heat.
Yo, you will kill me! You can't control this.
Alright, come on, I gotta go. I have to go.
Put the window down. Put the window down.
Hurry, go.
I can't do both things at the same
Heat is
time.
on. Heat is on.
I don't want to Put the window down!
Close the door.
Put it down!
Close the door.
Put it down and the heat off.
Close the door. Look, we almost hit the railing.
We didn't hit almost anyone.
Close the door.
I will say hi to this woman.
Close the door.
Hello.
Close
Okay,
the
never
door.
mind. Don't you think about it. Yeah. What you gonna do? You gonna close it on my arm? Hey.
Test me.
Hey.
Put your arm back out.
No.
Put your arm back out.
No.
Put your arm back out.
No.
Put your arm around.
Around you?
No, back out.
You definitely said put
I
my
definitely
arm
didn't say
around
that.
you.
Why would you say that?
Because that's
Why
what you
would you
said.
say that?
Why are my lungs so small? I've had this problem since a kid. I can run like 10 yards and then I'm like dead. I miss my bike! Crystal!
The most treacherous neighborhood of them all.
I'm not showing the cribs and stuff.
No. Don't show the cribs because they definitely got beat
They'll pull
up.
up on you. They'll egg your house and egg your car. Oh, that's crazy.
Well, why are you recording?
Why am I recording?
You can't show nothing. No,
I'm gonna show her. Are you smoking weed?
No, I came to get my lashes.
What's in there?
My lashes.
That's a good place to put weed.
My weed's in my pocket.
I'm sorry, I will call. Oh my gosh! What? Gotta go.
I thought it was SpongeBob.
That's a lot of balloons.
You want to inhale them?
Yeah, you want to get helium high? Let's do
Trying to
it.
get lifted?
Let's do it.
Not yet.
Let's do it. That'd be crazy if I just smashed my face into that cake. Are those real grapes?
Yes, they are. They're cotton candy grapes.
You're joking. They're regular grapes.
They taste like.
Whoa! They taste like cotton candy.
Yeah, they're cotton candy grapes.
How? You smells good.
No sabía que yo queríamos estar usando los emojis, pues se fue emoji en eso. 2 días que no bebe agua.
I ripped your out by then.
Wait, why does his bed look like him?
It's an orthopedic bed.
But it looked like him.
Did you feed him?
Does he have a face or is it just all fur?
Yeah, man.
Oh, what's that? Lean cuisine?
Is that the steak?
That's slimmered beef and
He's hype.
potato stew.
He's hype. Look, he's got that crackhead energy. He's hype.
It don't smell too bad.
I mean, I'll eat it. Listen, so I thought this was a dirt bike, like a mile away. It turns out it's just Chris in his new car that's busted. Hit me! Hit me! Hit me! Oh! 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 You got what?
I've been waiting that line at the dollar store forever. You're my number one.
Guy really got him balloons. What does that make me? What am I?
You number 0. You number 1.
You're near 0. I'm nothing. Yo, do a burnout. Okay. What are you doing? Bro.
My grandma spent $800 on this. My balls are clapping between my thighs.
Go ahead. Let me see what this joint's all about. Turn this joint on. Full throttle. Whoa.
Wait, that's moving.
This feels so good. Bro, I can feel my butt cheeks moving.
Yeah, you can feel your butt cheeks.
Bro, them
clapping,
joints
your
is
balls
clapping.
I can blur my face out.
Why are you squeaking like that?
Chris's turn.
Wait,
doing it.
do it, Chris.
My
Chris,
stomach
Full
hurts.
send.
It's fine. I'll put it on medium.
Full send, do it.
Not happy about this. Don't do it, because I will jump off.
It feels good.
Ow, this kind of hurts. Whoa. I can stay here all night. I have heart problems, though. I'm changing my pocket here now.
Put Brownie on the thing.
Nah, he might die.
Yeah.
Yeah, he might die. He's getting old.
Yeah, he's getting old. I need a bang.
I think I'm gonna
bang
change again.
for Cam.
I think I'm gonna
The hype rocket, baby.
Because I was ready.
Hype rocket.
I was ready.
Hype rocket.
Shut up. I was ready to vlog.
Hype
with
rocket.
this. Can you Photoshop me with another? Ow.
Don't get a freaking beard then.
It's not my fault, you hairless mole rat.
I'm sorry, I don't have to worry about shaving my butt.
My butt is shaved.
Is it?
Can't be in front of try too much, the world know who I am. This shit ain't sweet, who close to me,
You're not gonna disrespect my father like that.
Bro, I wasn't
not do that to the Tesla, but like.
I wasn't expecting it.
Can I tell you? I'm f***ing up one of your cars.
Bro, his hood is dented.
Don't tell me you gotta move for every single one.
7, 8, 9.
Oh, damn.
Hold these. 11. 16.
My birthday's in 6 months.
What?
Come here, boy.
Stop it. Yeah, we
Happy birthday,
we
Nagger.
shotgunning bangs tonight?
Get out! Stop shotgunning my beating! Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? It's right there. Are you a pro vapor, bro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna end it on that.